You're live.
All right. Hey guys, we're back with another video. We're gonna put a spoiler on my car today, and I brought in an expert who's recording right now who did it on his car. It came out fantastic. So we got Darren in the house. He's gonna help us out. This is a Tamon style spoiler that we got from a local S2KI member, and he already had it painted Silverstone, so one less step for us to do. So we're going to be using some Scotch double-sided sticky tape. We're using the extremely strong. It's the 30 or 30 lb, 30 pound. Yeah. Extremely strong. It shouldn't be easy to even take off.
I mean, the 300 tape that came with my spoiler wasn't even the extremely strong kind. It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah, I think it's good, but it just has a weird feeling, you know, when you're just like, oh, it's just taped onto my trunk.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be fine. All right, we are gonna tape this wing in sections.
You know, because like if it's too close to the edge and somebody's like behind you, they can see like the tape outline.
Oof, awful, awful. And there's gonna be a lot of people behind me too, so. Got him.
A lot of people put out.
Really?
Yeah, man. Why do you think I have so many views on mine? I tried to research the topic and I found 0 of like actually doing the whole process.
You're so close. You're so close.
And then I don't remember anything after that.
Boop. It's because you got knocked up.
Am I still recording? Seriously.
All right, guys. So we are ready to mount the wing onto the trunk. We just have to use a little bit of soapy water. I use this bottle, just put some soap and water in it, and we're going to make little tabs on our wing spoiler, whatever it's called. Tabs kind of like this, so we can pull them after we install it. Soapy water is going to help us move it around a little bit, and we should be good to go. So got to make the tabs next. This is like the hardest part.
Yep, tab on tab.
Tabs on tabs. All right, all tabs are completed. We have little tabs sticking out, kind of like this. Hope you guys can see that. These are gonna be what we're gonna grab after it's soft mounted. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of soapy water. Can I get that rag? Thank you. I'm just gonna clear off the brake light because I'm sensitive to my brake light being clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tabs. We should be able to count 12 after installing.
The gap looks about right. Does it look about right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're missing one.
Yeah, right there. It's right here. There you go. There you
Cool.
go. There you go. Now reline.
Relining. And that's why we sprayed it with soapy water. And the only reason we messed this up a little bit is so you guys could see the soapy water in action. Oh, you know, that's what I should name my channel. Something like the worst ever S2K.
Garbage 2K.
Garbage 2K.
Yeah. Start from the center.
Triple checking.
Yeah, triple check.
I gotta triple check. I don't want to get flamed like your channel. I'm just saying. You know, they measure 16 times, cut once or something. Whatever.
Push down. Work your way out. Spread it out. Inner tabs first. Pull those inner tabs. Pull them all. There you go. Oh, so, yeah, now. So once that dries up, it'll be fine. I hope.
We like our tape thick. All right. Check me out.
Not bad.
Awesome, I'm pumped. Wow, it actually looks pretty good. Got a little hole here for the brake light, that's nice. Safety first.
It does look good.
Thanks, bro. I want to do a side shot. Alright, you guys, I'm super happy with the install. The wing, everything came out well, especially for being on the cheap side, which is where I love living.
Cheap bastard.
Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys either learned something or were entertained for a couple minutes. Peace.